Let's make some peppermint Christmas crack. Generously butter an aluminum-lined baking sheet. This will help prevent our Christmas crack from sticking. Place your crackers on your baking tray, making sure there are no gaps. I'm using about 200 grams, around 7 ounces of crackers. You may need to cut your crackers so they fit. Preheat your oven to 175 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. To your pot, add 227 grams, 1 cup of butter, and 220 grams, 1 cup of brown sugar. Once this is all melted together, set a timer for 5 minutes.
Now add in half a teaspoon, about 2 grams of peppermint extract.
Now pour the caramel on top of your crackers. Let this bake for 5 minutes until that caramel is really bubbly. Once the 5 minutes is up, take your tray out of the oven and sprinkle with 300 grams, 1 3/4 cups of dark chocolate chips. Pop it back in the oven for 1 minute to allow that chocolate to melt. Now using an offset spatula or the back of a spoon, spread the chocolate so that it's smooth on top of your crackers. Decorate however you'd like. I'm adding crushed candy cane to really boost that peppermint flavor. This needs to cool for about 3 hours before cutting into pieces and digging in. Now that our crack is set, remove the aluminum foil. You want to do this gently so you don't crack your crack. And she cracks. Cut your crack into pieces. Don't worry if you get some breakages and they're not perfect cuts. They're going to look beautiful piled up on a plate. I like to stack mine up and wrap them with a ribbon. They make a perfect gift. This recipe is just a guide. You can flavor this with any extract you like, top it with sprinkles or glitter or whatever you want to make your crack special. If you're in holiday baking mode, check out my Christmas cookie playlist. And if you found this video helpful, hit the like button and I'll see you next week.